Did you know Rome's greatest lawyer was murdered by his own bodyguards? Ulpian wrote over 1/3 of all Roman law still used today. In 223, he became the top legal officer under Emperor Alexander Severus. The Praetorian Guard were his personal protectors, elite soldiers sworn to defend him with their lives. But these guards had become corrupt and unruly. When Ulpian tried to discipline them, they were outraged. How dare a mere lawyer order around Rome's military elite? The Praetorians began plotting his death. During a public ceremony, with the emperor watching, they struck. In broad daylight, the very men sworn to protect Rome's chief lawyer murdered him. The emperor was too weak to stop them. This wasn't just murder, it was a message. The Praetorian Guard had realized they were more powerful than the law itself. No legal authority could touch them now. Ulpian's death marked the beginning of Rome's descent into military chaos, where soldiers ruled and laws meant nothing. The protectors had become the destroyers.